Up and down. Your legs too. No, lay down, lay down, lay down.
It looks like a moth.
Gracie, like this. Ready?
Watch how your mom does it. With your legs too, Mom. There you go.
Get the snow out of the middle, Elizabeth.
That's it.
Like this, Grace.
I'm doing a good flip.
The snow's hard to move.
Go ahead, make your angel.
You put your face in it. That's so funny. Look at it.
Let's make a big snowman.
We are at Paps.